A Wisconsin judge has pleaded not guilty to federal charges related to her allegedly helping a man evade immigration authorities. Hannah Dugan was indicted this week on charges of obstruction and concealing an individual to prevent arrest. FBI Director Kash Patel has said that Dugan, quote, intentionally misdirected federal agents away from an undocumented immigrant who is set to be arrested at her courthouse last month. Dugan's attorneys are moving to have the case dismissed, arguing her actions were in her official capacity as a judge and that she has immunity from criminal prosecution, citing that 2024 Supreme Court decision in President Trump's favor. Let's bring in Justice Department reporter Jake Rosen for more. Jake, what happened during Dugan's court appearance?
Well, that's right, Lindsay. A judge set a trial date for now. It'll be July 21st. Dugan's attorneys said that there's a likely chance that they want to go through a jury questionnaire and ask the jury some more questions, given her role as a local judge in the community. Obviously, there's a potential that some people in that community have been before her in court or know of her, and they want to make sure that everything is good on that end. But really what we saw today was, a pressure point where there were a number of protesters outside the courtroom trying to get their opinion heard about how they believe this is an inappropriate action by the Trump administration to be arresting a sitting judge for this, as Dugan claims her innocence in court. Certainly more to come this summer on all of that. But again, it's just a big arrest by the Trump administration, trying to point out that if you get in their way on their immigration actions, no matter who you are, whether you're a sitting judge or a civilian, that you are able and likely to be arrested.
Newark, New Jersey Mayor Ras Baraka also appeared in a different federal court Thursday. He's charged with trespassing at a New Jersey immigration detention center last week. What's the latest there?
Well, Lena Haba, the U.S. attorney in New Jersey, a longtime Trump ally, said she wants to go straight to trial with this. So there was a very brief hearing today to go over some scheduling things, in addition to going over what evidence might be produced in this. Mayor Baraka, who's running for governor of New Jersey in a Democratic primary, said after the hearing that he feels that he was deliberately targeted in this arrest, and we will see the longest penalty that he could potentially face in prison, because this is a misdemeanor, is 30 days in prison if he's found guilty, and this case continues.
CBS News has obtained government documents confirming Attorney General Pam Bondi sold between $1 and $5 million worth of Trump media stocks on April 2nd. This is the same day President Trump announced his global tariffs. What do we know about this?
Well, that's right. Bondi had said in a December financial disclosure that she had about $3.9 million worth of stock in the company, which owns Truth Social, President Trump's social media arm. The disclosure said that she got that money as part of a consulting contract with the company as it was merging. She said in this filing that she at least sold $1 million. Certainly the timing is unknown. The Department of Justice has not commented on what she knew and when to CBS News about when this sale was made, whether she had any direct knowledge of the incoming tariffs announcement and how that would affect the stock, which sank almost immediately the next day as markets opened and has rebounded a little bit since then.
Jake Rosen, thank you.